Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Thank you for responding. Really, waha. Okay. So, yesterday's lecture, we started with binomial tree. Correct, no? Binomial risk neutral model. And in binomial risk neutral model, where did we reach? I don't remember. In binomial risk neutral model, I think single step I taught you yesterday. Were you able to finish your notes on binomial tree at least? Huh? This 6.625 is there in your notebook. 6.625. Okay, Zoom people, you are able to hear me? Okay, good morning, good morning. 6.625. Tanisha, you can hear me, no? Okay. Then this, I gave you some derivation on all this. Black part not required, but okay, students, I think one thing I just saw here. Yesterday in your notes, I I gave you how to calculate PU and PD using prices and using rates. I think that was instead of step 3, hello. And I think by mistake I wrote step 4 here. Okay, just rectify this. This is step 3. Both of them are step 3 only. All done? Okay. So now I will proceed ahead. And today, see, this what I taught you was point number A, called as a single step model. Now there is something called as two-step model. I request you to keep your pens down and please listen carefully, okay? I am right now in module number 5, option valuation. Within option valuation, Roman 1, binomial risk neutral model is the model. Within that, point number B, I am starting two-step model. So everybody please pay attention, okay? So, okay. Point number B. Now don't write, Point number B, two-step model. And to explain this model to you, I would request you all to come to question number. Hey, hold on. Hey, there is one question which is there in single step also. Okay, before that, chalo, let's read question 31. Question 31, everyone please. Question number 31. Sumana. Read the question. What is Sumana saying? Sumana wanted to buy shares of this company which has a range of 411 to 592 a month later. Hey, do you all are you all able to understand that this must be SD and this must be SU? This language you will understand if I say SU and SD, spot after a year, after some time, up and down. Everyone clear? The present price per share is 421. What is this? This, do you realize, is S0. Her broker informs her that the price of this share can go up to 522 within a month or so that she should buy a 1 month call of ELL with this strike price. Okay, so students, are you all understanding this? This broker na is telling this Sumana ma'am. He is saying that, ma'am, this share price is there, no? This share price can cross 522. See, I personally feel maximum it can drop to this, maximum it can rise to this, but I am pretty sure it will cross 522 is what he is saying. Everybody clear, no? See, they are all talking futuristic. So do you therefore realize that if she buys a call option with a strike price of 522, and do you realize that, I don't know if you get it, if the actual share price goes above 522, can I say she will gain in the call option? Hello? Because the call option will become in the money when S1 is above K. Am I making sense? Hello? Okay. So in order to be prudent in buying the call, the share price should be more than or at least 522. You understand? Na? It should, the S1 should at least cross K. Otherwise, what is the point in buying the call? But the assurance, can I say, cannot be given by a broker because broker is not God. Everybody clear? Na? Who can give assurance for that? So Sumana is saying, okay, I understand the nature of the market, the uncertainty of market. Can you please at least tell me the probability of attaining the share price? I hope everybody is clear. Of 5, and she's asking you that this SU will happen, no? What is the probability that it will happen SU? Which means, can I say she's asking you PU? Am I making sense? Hello? She's asking you PU so that buying the 1 month call option at an execution price means 522 is justified. Advise her, take risk free rate to be 3.6%. Now students, you all read, you all remember yesterday's lecture, or do you want me to, only binomial I'm asking, do you remember binomial? You remember that? How do we calculate PU? I had given some formula to you, you remember, na? What is the formula of PU? 1 plus R, 1 plus R raised to N, no? Instead of that, I'll take E raised to Rn here, minus D, the whole upon U minus D. And that PU, she wants only to know about PU, give her the PU, question over. Everybody clear? Can we start doing it, please? Write down question 31. Question 31. Okay. I want you to fill this up. Everyone, please. Please fill up this from the question. Okay, tell me what is SU? SO. 421 is S0, na? SU, SD, K. Acha, now U, do you realize will be 592 divided by 421. Okay, and D is 411 upon 421. 976. All done. Okay, now students, there is a complication. Look at the screen. Do you realize that when I do e raised to Rn, ready? Don't write this, huh? Can I say it will be e raised to? Now, what is the interest rate given to you? 3.6, no? So 0.036, and do you realize it will be into 1 by 12? Considering that interest rates generally given by ICAI are always on annual basis, okay? The interest rates given are always per annum. And do you realize this whole calculation that you are doing, this whole calculation is for 1 month call option. Everyone ready? The whole calculation is for 1 month call option. But now there is one hint in the question that this 3.6% which is given is already of a month. It is not of 12 months that you need to further convert to 1 month. What is the hint given in the question that it is already of a month? The e raised to, now you check this please. Everybody clear? The e raised to, they have already converted it and given. So ideally the rate that they should have given should have been per annum rate. But then unfortunately they have directly given the per month rate only, which is hinted by this number here. Everyone clear? So what we will do is, here we will simply write, okay, R for 1 month is 3.6%. Write down please, R bracket 1 month 3.6%. So calculation of PU. Calculation of PU. Calculation of PU. PU is equal to e raised to Rn minus D, the whole upon U minus D. Put the numbers, get me the answer. What is the answer? 0.1419. 0.1419. This is the answer. 0.1419. There is only 14% chance that the share will go up according to this theory. Everyone clear? Okay. So we have completed question 31. So now we will start our today's lecture. Hello. Binomial two-step model. Everyone now keep your pens down. Something new is starting. Ready? Two-step model. Okay. For this, requesting all to come to question 29. and temporarily don't read this word American. Okay, just forget it. Don't cancel, huh? Please. In the textbooks, don't cancel. Okay. American has nothing to do with one step or two steps. Something else only is there about American. What is about American? I'll tell you later. You right now do normal reading of the question. Everyone, please. Read the question. Okay. They're saying consider a 2 year, okay, call option. My God, 2 year is the maturity data. You're getting it? With a strike price of 50. Okay, this is K. The current price of the share is also 50. So on a stock whose current price is 50. So this, do you realize, is S0. Assume that there are two time periods of 1 year each, and in each year the stock can move up or down by equal percentage of 20%. This language you understood? Like this and then like this. You're getting it, not 2 times 20%. Risk free rate, as I told you, risk neutral model, this is risk free rate is 6%. Using binomial risk neutral model, calculate the value of the call and the probability of price moving up and down. Now can I say, in the process of calculating value of the call, the PU and PD are anyways calculated. Everybody clear, no? Also draw a two-step binomial tree showing prices and payoffs at each node. It is said each node. Okay, using prices and payoffs, showing prices and payoffs at each node. Can I say in my explanation, binomial tree also is there. Everyone clear, no? So now how to tackle this? Do you all understand this is slightly bigger than yesterday's question? Yesterday's question, can I say only single step? Now there are two steps. Everyone clear? There are two steps models. So now please listen, okay? See, question number 29. 29, no? 29. I will first of all write down here binomial tree. Okay, binomial tree. Okay, students, the tree will look like this. Year 0, year 1, year 2. Everybody clear? Come on, tell me. It starts with an S0 of how much? S0 of 50. Do you agree, everyone? S0 50. Now, from here, tell me, it can either go to what or it can go to what? Can I say that 20% either jump or 20% drop? Correct, no? So, it can either go to SU of how much? 60, or it can go to SD of how much? 40. SD 40. Now from here, do you realize it can further go? You getting now what I'm trying to say? It can further go to SUU. You are understanding? This is how institute presents. SUU. SUU is how much? 72. Can someone tell me what name should I give now? Very good. SUD. SUD. How much? 48. Correct. And from here, Okay, from here it can go to SDU. Getting it now? SDU. How much? 48. Yeah, SDD. How much? SDD 32. Everybody clear? SDD 32. Now students, for some time, no, forget this is there. Okay? And can I say only this is there? You know how to do call option for this. Yesterday have I taught you this? Hello? Are I'm saying only if this much was there, then can I say we can find the call option. So can I say one triangle is given, you can find the call option, correct? Now let's see if you understand what is to be done here. Students, you have to forget the world and focus only on this triangle first. Find the value of the call here. I hope everybody is clear. Then you have to focus on this triangle next and find the value of the call here. And then you have to focus on this triangle here and then find the value of the call here. You have to do it in 3 levels. You're understanding 3 points. Everyone listening, no? Hello. So, what I will do is, I will write down here, this is node A, this is node B, and this is node C. Okay? Node means point. Okay? I would like to first of all go for node B. Everyone clear, na? Like to go for node B calculation. Now students, I'll go back to my notes here. And all these calculations that we have done, no, see how I'm doing. Okay? In fact, you only help me now. So I'll take this here. So I'm writing here, calculation of C at node B. Okay, calculation of C at node B. Okay, any ideas how to do it? Okay, only this much point. So I'll just do one thing for all of you. I'll take this. Okay, I'll convert it into an image and paste it here. Okay. Okay, chalo. Check. What do you think is to be done here? Step 1. Step 1, can I say, is to calculate SU and SD. So in fact, I'll write like this. Yeah, my step 1 will be to calculate SUU and SUD. SUU will be 50 plus 20%. Am I right? Plus 20%. Correct, no? Hello? That 60 we will not be having at the start. Everybody clear? And that is, can I say, 72. SDD, SUD, okay, SUD will be 50 plus 20% minus 20, that is 48. Don't tell me 20%, 20% cancel. Hello, okay. Everyone ready? Can we start, please? Okay. 48, no? 48 rupees, rupees. Now that you're done with this, tell me what next? Calculation of C1. Okay. So I'll write here, calculation of C1. Now actually, do you realize this is value of the call on due date? I'll just write here calculation of C. Now, students, if SUU, if SUU is, can I say, 72, if SUU is 72, do you realize that CUU, hello, everybody clear, na? CUU will be, what is the strike price of this question? Check, what is the exercise price? 50. So do you realize this thing, this thing will be 72 minus 50, 22. Am I making sense? Hello. 72 minus 50, that is 22. Getting clarity till here? You know where will I put this 22? I'll come here and I'll say that CUU is 22. Everybody sure understood? No? Hello. Hello. And then tell me what next. If S next, what is the next S? 48, no? If S U D is equal to 48, do you realize C U D will be 0? Come on, everybody. Why 0? Because it is out of money. Now 50 rupees is the strike price. Everybody clear? It is out of money. It becomes 0. So I'll write here. Okay. CUD is 0. Everybody clear till here? CUD is 0. Next, step 3, calculation of PU and PD. So now you need not write all this. Calculation of PU and PD. Correct, everybody? Alright, tell me how to do PU and PD. Okay. So PU is equal to, have they given any hint about e raised to something they have said? No, forget it then. Okay, so PU is equal to 1 plus R raised to n minus d, the whole upon u minus d. PD is equal to 1 minus PU, where u is equal to all the charo. Let's start getting me u, please. Everyone get me the u. Come on. U is what minus what? Can I say it will be 72 divided by 60, and this will be 48 divided by 60. This will be 1.2, correct? And this will be 0.8. I knew about 1.2 and 0.8 because 20%. Now, hello, everybody clear? And then we will get to the PU calculation. What is the interest rate given to you? Risk-free rate 6, no? So can I say it will be 1 plus R raised to n minus d, the whole upon u minus d. Get me the numerator, please. 1.06 minus 0.8 is how much? 0.26 upon 0.4, na? 0.26 upon 0.4, and that gives you a PU of 0.65. Two decimals, game over. Okay, 0.65, and therefore PD, can I say, will be 1 minus 0.65, and that comes to 0.35. Everybody clear? 0.35. Making sense? Okay, I'm writing one note here. Note, since at all nodes up and down percentage is constant, PU and PD for all nodes will be constant. I don't know how many of you understood this. Now the next one I will do now, next triangle. There also it is same U and D will be there now, 1.2 and 0.8. Hello. Okay. In fact, I'll write like this. Since at all nodes U and D are constant. Because why is U and D constant? Because you realize every time it is 20% and 20%. Hello. Hey, it is not about 20 equal to 20. Hello. It's not about that. It could be 20% and 10%. But then at all nodes, it should be 20% and 10%, 20%, 10%. Everybody clear? Can I say then that will make the U and D? Look at me. I did not say U and D are same. I said U and D are constant. Everybody clear? So that will, can I say, give the same PU and PD. Now why to step 3 each time I will not do. Now once done, game over. So 65 and 35. Okay, 65 and 35. So now students, comes our last step, that is step 4. Step 4, calculation of CU. Okay, why are you writing, sir, CU? Did you understand that this particular point now I'll be getting the answer? I hope everybody is clear. I will do this into probability plus this into probability, merge them and bring them back. Everybody clear? That is what I'm going to do in this question. So I'm writing here calculation of CU. Do you realize CU will be CUU into PU plus CUD into PD, the whole divided by 1 plus R power n. Everybody clear? The whole divided by 1 plus R power n. CUU was how much? CUU 22. Can you see this number? 22. Everyone there? And that was the other one is 0. And the probabilities are 65. Okay, so I'll write here 22 into 0.65 plus 0 into 0.35, the whole divided by 1.06. Now what is the risk-free rate? 1.06 raised to 1. Get me the answer. 13.49. 13.49. Everybody clear? 13.49. So what I'll do is I'll write here 13.49. Node B clear. Now can I say I will replicate the whole thing for node C. Everyone following? No? Now it will go a little faster. No? So node C. So node C is very nice. Can you see? Nothing is there. Because in future now both the S's are out of money. Check please. 48 also out of money, 32 also out of money. I hope you realize. I'll do now only, but I have to, I'll formally give notes also. But do you realize C, D, U is also 0 and C, D, D is also 0. Everybody clear now? Both of them are 0 only. So I hope you realize that C, D, the present value of all these great things will also be 0. Hello, everybody clear no? So now I have to only show you how to the formal notes. Otherwise it's all time pass. Okay. So I'll just pick this up. Okay. And I'll place it here. Calculation of CD now. Okay. Calculation of CD at node C. Okay. At node C. Calculate S what? Calculate S du. Okay, calculate S du and S dd. It will be, I hope you understand, like this, like this, like this, like this. Everybody clear? And this, do you realize, will be 48 and the other one was what, 32, no? 32. So calculation of C, value of call option on the due date. So this, do you realize, will be OTM. Hello, both are OTM only. So I'll just do this. So if S D U is 48, if S D D is 32, do you realize C D U C D D? You'll understand now what I'm doing. Okay. It's not going now what French and all is going on. No, no. Okay. So can I say both are out of money? Game over. Forget it. Okay. And okay, in step 1. Yes. In step 1, this will be SDU and SDD. Thank you. SDU and SDD. Okay. Now, calculation of PU and PD. No, we are not going to do. Correct? No. Why we are not going to do? It will be same. Okay, so I'll just write here PU equal to 0.65, PD equal to 0.35, and now our final step, calculation of CD, the great step. Can I say CD will be 0 into 0.65 plus 0 into 0.35? Hey, don't pick up calci. The whole upon 1.06 raised to 1. Everyone clear? The answer? Okay, and that's what it is. Okay, now anyone can tell me how to go to the last point now. Now, what is my final goal? My final goal is to find C0. Any idea? Now these two we will take. Everybody clear now? Now only one weighted average you have to do. I hope everybody is clear. You have to do this into PU, this into PD, add them and get them back. Hello, got it now? It didn't follow. Should I explain again? How you did this? This you brought here, no? Like that only, this you have to bring back. Okay, 13.49 I'll remember. So I'll now write here. Okay, I'll write here calculation of C0 at node A. Everybody clear? Calculation of C0 at node A. Can I say C0 will be CU into PU? Correct, no? CU into PU I wrote it at the wrong place. Ready? Cu into Pu plus Cd into Pd, the whole upon 1 plus R raised to n. 13.49 into 0.65 plus 0 into 0.35, the whole divided by 1.06 power 1. Okay, please take your calculators. How much? 8.27. 8.27. All clear, no? 8.27. What is 8.27? That will be C0 here, and this is your final answer. Students, I think you understood how to do two-step binomial tree. 100% clear? Okay. All right. We copy from here then. Come on, everyone. Two-step model. क्या 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 वो समझा नहीं, तू क्या बोल रहा है? SDU 48 जो है, हाँ, तो उसका प्रोबेबिलिटीज अलग करना पड़ेगा. हाँ, but do it normally na, in the money, no problem. You will get some value there. The answer will be different. Of course, no. Ame, AC the remote party pass on karo. That side. I'll give you the PDF. You want to try it from mobile phone? Done? This yes no no I think can be rectified if I give you PDF. Ah, I'll just give the PDF to you. Give me a minute. Ritika, Malami, check. Zoom people received. Okay. Start writing no quickly. Shh, 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 shh. Please. All done? Okay. Chalo. So everyone has reached 13.49. Now I'm going to give you one note. Please write down. Okay. Write down. Note. Point number one. क्या क्या हो गया? हाँ. What? अच्छा अच्छा. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So note. Point number one. There are two types of there are two types of call options. There are two types of call options. European, American. Okay. This is after 8.27. Yes. Okay. European, American. Students, below European, right? Used in India. Why are you laughing? Huh? Used in India, and here used in America. No. This is not used in India. Okay. Used in India, this is not used in India. Please. Really? Not used in India. That is why today also if you go to stock market on website, no, call option is denoted as CE. C and they have E. E stands for European. You understand, no? CE or PE. Okay. So, by the way, two types of call option means two types of put options also there, European and American. Okay. Now, what is the difference? Okay. So, write down. Can be exercised / lapsed only on maturity. Can be exercised lapsed only on maturity. And in this particular case, can be exercised lapsed any time till maturity. Understood the difference between both? What is the difference between both? See, in our whole explanation, hello? Can I say our whole explanation was, I think, about European only. That okay, on due date, if C1, if S1 greater than K, in the money. Can I say in American option you can check whether it is in the money, out of money anytime before due date also. You are understanding? If midway also you find Nareva in the money, you can go and exercise. Everybody clear? That is the meaning of American option. Everyone clear? So, you can just write one more line here. This will only come here. Whole chapter was European based. Don't write anything there. Whole chapter was not American, not like that. Whole chapter was European based. Whole chapter was European based. All done? Now students, this was point number 1. Okay, now write down point number 2. Question, what did we do now? 29, na? Question 29 was solved as if European call. I hope everyone is understanding what I am writing. Question 29 was solved as if European call. Next line. Following is the solution for American call. Bracket asked in question. Following is the solution for American call asked in question. So in exam, if they are asking American, do only American. Hello. No need to do European. I did European because I wanted to explain. Two-step also I explained. European American difference also explained. Can I say everything I could do in one? Now in American call, where will things change? That much only I'll give you. Everything else is same. Everyone ready? No? Hello. So, students, now don't write anything. Okay? Please pay attention. I am now talking of node B. Okay? Now, at node B, can I say we got CU as 30? Now, everyone go to node B calculation. Now, please, everybody. We got CU as 13.49. I hope everybody is listening. We got CU as 13.49. Got this number? I am going to say this is a present value of cash inflow calculation. This number, no, 13.49. Can I say we went to CUD, we took the average and we found the present value. Everybody clear? This is PV of future CI. Okay, in fact, I'll write here PV of future CI. Ready? F I'll put small, otherwise you will think futures. Okay, ready everyone? PV of yesterday, no, at inter-CA lecture I was having. So one boy asked me in private, I was sitting here at the first bench, he asked me, sir, I was explaining them Nifty. So he said, then he told me in the break, sir, what is Nifty foot? I said, Nifty foot? He said, yes sir, there is one concept called as Nifty foot. I said, no, there is nothing called as Nifty foot. Well, I am thinking F-O-O-T, na, Nifty foot. My foot is like that, Nifty foot. He said, and he's telling me, sir, I have seen in YouTube videos, that I have seen on also Nifty foot. Then he said that even like L&T share is there, no? Not L&T, he told me something, Reliance he told me, he said Reliance foot also is there. Then I was thinking, what is he saying, foot? Then he told me spelling F-U-T. Then I understood he's talking of futures. Like how in call, na, we show it as, it is there. If you go to market, no, they write F-U-T. F-U-T is basically, see, he has no clue what he's saying. He's saying there's something that, Bank Nifty and what all you were saying, Bank Nifty foot and this foot, that foot. I say, Baba, please, you pass inter first. then you come to final. Then let some AFM chapters get over. Then I'll have confidence to tell you what is that foot. Right now, please don't talk about it, okay? Anyways, so can I say CU is 13.49 PV of future CI. Now see, listen carefully. Now this is tricky, please. Or, now students, go to the binomial tree, please, and tell me what is the SU at node B. 60. Everybody there? 60. So I am writing here, look at the screen. SU minus K. ITM gross payoff. 60 minus 50 equal to 10. Students, why am I writing this gross payoff? Sir, it is not even due date, sir. How can you? Sir, it is on due date, no, that we do this S minus K calculation. Like how I hope you remember what you are doing. This calculation, that S minus K happened here, no? Hello, you can see this? Or 0, whichever is higher. Hello. Or basically in the money when we do S1 minus K, out of money means we do 0. This number we don't do S minus K, na? This number is simply a present value of these numbers. Sir, here also you are doing S minus K. How is that possible? I hope you remember. How you got 22? You remember, na? 22 was S minus K. Here also I am doing S minus K. Why? Because in American option, can I say you can exercise anytime you want? Hello, everybody clear? Didn't understand. In American option, you can exercise anytime you want. So can I say at this node also I can, for me, ITM, OTM need not be only on due date. ITM, OTM can be any time I want, because can I say American option gives you the option to exercise before due date also. So can I say if the S has gone to 60 and K can I say is 50, do you realize if you exercise the option here, the gross payoff you're getting is 10. Everybody clear? Hello? Is sure, no? So therefore I will write here 10, and just for your benefit I will write can be exercised at node B any time before maturity. Everybody clear now? Node B, node C. Hello? You're not understanding, I think. Should I repeat again? Hello? Should I repeat again? No? Sure, understood? Okay. So tell me, if you exercise it at node B, how much gross payoff you're getting? 10. On the spot, na 60 minus 50, you will get 10 rupees, you are out. But if you decide not to exercise and you decide to wait, can I say you will reach that 22 or 0? I hope everybody clear. Hello. The present value of what you will get if you decide to wait is 13.49. So students, what do you want? Do you want 10 rupees now, or do you want something whose present value is 13.49? Mathematically 13.49 is a bigger number. Hello, everybody clear? So we will say it is basically 13.49, okay, or 10, okay, 13.49 or 10, whichever is higher. That is 13.49. I hope everybody is listening. Hello. Which means this particular tree continues as it is as far as node B is concerned. Otherwise, can I say node B was in a threat? Do you all understand that if this SU would have been, let's say, 65, if SU would have been 65, can I say your CU would have been 15 on immediate exercise? Hello, everybody clear? Then do you realize in this case, I wouldn't have continued only further. No, I hope everyone is clear. I would have said the value of the call option at node B is 15, not 13.49. Hello, everyone following? No? Hello. You're not giving proper reaction. I think you're not understanding. I'll explain again once more. Not required. Required? Who requires? 1, 2. Anyone else? Are you tell no? Anyone else requires? Zoom people? All clear? 100%. Okay. So now talk to each other and finish it off. Huh? I'll go ahead. Okay, no joking. See, listen, tell me what happens. Okay, you are at node B now. Okay, node B. At node B, what two options you have? Come on, tell me. What two options you have? No, you only tell. What two options you have at node B? Either continue, very good, or exercise. Exercise or lapse, basically, whatever. You have the choice to do whatever you want. If you decide to continue, can I say you will reach these mountains whose present value of future cash flow is 13.49, correct? Option 2 is what? Sir, I don't want to continue, sir. I had enough. I want to get out now only. I want to exercise now only. Sir, the call is in the money because the K is 50 and the S has touched 60. S greater than K, ITM, sir, 10 rupees I will get today. Everybody clear? So then this option of exercising here only, can I say, was not there in the question we did. Everybody clear, no? Because in the question we did, it was an European option. European option gives you that option to exercise or lapse only on the due date. Are you making understanding? Hello? Please respond, no. All clear? So do you therefore realize that you're understanding, no? So tell me, if you decide to exercise at node B because it is an American option, how much cash will you get? 10 rupees. If you decide not to exercise and continue, how much cash you will get? Either 22 or 0, whose today's value is 13.49. So can I say today not exercising here is equivalent to getting 13.49 here. Exercising here, can I say, is equivalent to getting 10 here. Which one do you want to go for? 13.49. Simple. Everybody clear? Then I said if this SU was 65, then this is not going to get disturbed because this depends on these two numbers. But do you realize that on exercise here you would have got 15 rupees? Now 65 minus 50, can I say exercising would have made more sense than continuing. Everyone clear till here? Okay. Okay. Now, which you understood now? Whichever is higher. Hello. This you understood? Okay. Chalo, now let us try for node B. Okay. I'm sorry. Let us try for node C. Node C will be time pass. Okay. Come on, node C. At node, you have the diagram with you, na? At node C, can I say CD? CD is 0. That is present value of future cash flows. Or I hope you realize 0. Why, sir? Why again 0 you're writing? Any idea? Why? Why again 0? Tell me, why 0 again? Nobody's responding. How did you come to know it is out of money at node C? 48 is the S. K is 50. Even if you want to exercise, you will not exercise. I hope everybody is clear before due date. So do you realize this or this, whichever is higher? Huh? Understanding, no, everything? Whichever is higher, that is, can I say, 0. Full clarity is there to everybody. Okay. And then last step. Ready? Now you have to use your brains. Huh? Come on. So tell me, where will things change? First of all, do you realize that you will do C0? Hello? You will do C0. But now this PV of future CI thing is there, no? PV of future CI. I think you got 8 point how much? 27. I want to do it again. Sir, why, sir? There is a reason. Yes, big reason is there. I'll tell you. Node what this is? A. Node A. C0 equal to 13.49 into, what was that? 0.65 plus, okay, plus 0 into 0.35. Am I right? Plus 0 into 0.35. The whole divided by 1.06, and that comes to how much? 8.27. Can someone tell me what decided? Why did I do it again? Because I hope you realize now I took this number and this number. Come on, everyone. Because here do you realize that these numbers are same as our European option? No, I didn't understand. See, what if here you would have got 15 as we had discussed some time back? No, it is 13.49 or 15, whichever is higher. And this number would have been 15. Then do you therefore realize that this answer in the present value of future CI would have changed? No, hello. Here it is not changing. I hope you understand why. Correct? So just for everyone's benefit, what I'll do is, I will mark this 13.49 and I'll mark this 13.49. Everybody clear? I will mark this 0. Okay, and I'll mark this 0. It will make sense? Hello? And this, students, is, can I say, the present value of future cash inflow. Okay? Now can I say I want to write or? Everybody clear? Or. So now can you please tell me or? Now in the or, can I say even today you can exercise that option because it is American option. Today, what is S0? Check, check, check. Today, what is S0? 50. What is K? 50. Are you all understanding that I am going to write here ATM? Can I say ATM gross payoff is also 0 only? Come on, everybody. Hello. Do you therefore realize it is 8.27 or 0? Whichever is higher. Okay. So all this I'll remove. Whichever is higher. Done, everybody clear? Whichever is higher, that is how much? 8.27. Okay. Now, listen, I did not do the whole calculation again, but you will be able to figure out now in the exam how to do the whole calculation again. Hello? Hold on. In when you reach node B, can I say you will reach this number? Then this extra you have to do. When you reach node C, you will reach this number, na CD you had reached. Now this extra calculation you will do. I hope everyone is following. This is the extra part. Okay. So we'll copy this. Okay. Hey, hold on. Following is the solution you have written, no? Just write following is the incremental solution. You're understanding, na? Extra. Following is the incremental solution for American call. Following is the incremental solution for American call. Externally, can you see both European and American are getting same answer, 8.27. But all these notes I think will help you eventually if something else happens. Mahalakshmi not necessary. Huh? Any number can be there. We can tackle it. No? Like how you did see you. Like that only. All done? I'll go ahead. Chalo. Now, in your notebooks, we are right now in which model? Binomial risk neutral. I want to continue binomial risk neutral for some more time. And okay, which question we completed now? Which one? 29. Na? Okay. Come to question number 32. Come to question 32. Read the question only till point A. Read the question only till point A. This is ICAI question. Read the question only till point A. If nothing is given, calls are always European. Huh? B and C is different model. Forget it. Till A you all understood. Just check. They are saying X Limited share is currently trading at 220. This is, can I say S0? Note. This is S0. It is expected that in 6 months time it could double or halve. Okay, which means it could either be 440 or 110. Everybody clear? Hey, but the call option is what option? It's not a 6-month option, it's a 1-year option. Hello, what is the hint in this, students? The hidden adjustment is it's a 2-step model. Everybody clear? They did not say it is going to happen. The doubling or the halving is not going to happen only in the first 6 months. They're saying in 6 months it doubles or halves, which means, do you realize you'll have to make that full 2-step tree? Hello, 3 triangles will come. Assuming risk-free and an exercise price of 1 year is how much? 165. 165, can I say, is K. Assume the risk-free rate of interest to be 20%. This is R. Look at me. 20%. No. Do you realize it will be 10% for every point? Because I hope you realize it's 6 months you're doing, no? Didn't understand anything. It is like this. 1 plus 0.2 into 6 by 12. Everybody clear? 1 plus 0.2 into 6 by 12, like that. Assuming the risk-free rate of interest to be 20%, that is R, calculate the value of call option of X Limited share. This full patta, you want to try? Binomial tree also you'll have to do. After binomial tree, can I say you have to stick to node B first, then node C, and then node A. You have all the nodes, just try on your own. Okay, start. What is double of 220? 440, no? And then 440 will also double. 880 in the second stage. This is question number 32, na? Okay, just tell me how much is S0. One answer keep killing. S0 how much? 220 is S0. Everybody got that? S0. Okay. What is K? 165. Okay, wait. Now SU 440, SD 110, SUU 880, SUD 220, SDU 220, SDD 55. Please confirm these numbers. You got this in the treats there. Okay. Then what is the K is 165, no? 165 means this is dash. Am I right? CDD is dash. And then this is what? 55? 55 7 715. Please confirm these numbers. You can see now even in the last node everything is not zero. Hello. But it's okay now, you can still tackle it. Everyone clear? Okay. So CU, anyone got CU? 19. 219. 219 is CU. Wait, how? 290. 290 is CU. How you must have got this? Can you tell me please what into what plus what into what? 715. Acha, by the way, I forgot to ask you. What is PU and PD? 0.4. Acha, 0.4 and 0.6 proper. Okay, 0.4, 0.6. Zoom people getting these numbers? PU 0.4 not getting. How much are you getting? You are getting 0.4, 0.6. Raghunandan, share your calculation. No, I have put it on for everyone. Okay, ready? 0.4 and 0.6. Okay. What did you do? How did you do it? 1.1. So what is U and D? 2 and 0.5, na? U and D is 2 and 0.5. You got this? Okay. Kusuma, you were absent yesterday? No, na? Check how we have taken U, how we have taken D. Okay, ready? Okay. So, now, you got U, you got D, you got 0.4, 0.6. Okay. With that, can I say CU coming to 290? Okay. And CD coming to 20. Confirm. CD coming to 20. Zoom people confirm. Is this CD 20? CU 290, CD 20. Done. And then when you pull the whole thing back, C0 comes to 116.36. 116.36. 116 point. Kusuma found the error. Others found the error. Okay. Okay. So now students, this 32, everything, this was all point A, na? Hello. Point A or point 1? A? Okay. B and C we will do later because it's some other module. And I want to teach that only now, but I just got reminded that I told you 3 updates are there in derivatives chapter. Out of that, have I taught you one update last time? One also? No, I did not teach. No, okay. So today I'll teach you first. Everyone ready? Today I'll teach you the first because that is connected. That update which has come now is an amalgamation of capital budgeting and options, and which is called as real options. Okay. So there is a concept called as real options. It's a tricky concept. but I'll try my best to explain to you. Please, everyone ready? Okay, so in the notebooks, no, um, I don't want to get out of this big module of option valuation. So in option valuation, binomial risk neutral, what we have done? We have written Roman 1, just check, or model 1, what are we doing? Roman 1, na? Binomial risk neutral is Roman 1. Now there is a branch of the same. You are understanding? There is a branch of the same. So for that, now what you can do is you can write Roman 1a or something like that. You understand? Wait. Roman 1a was like in single step. Roman 1b was two step. Here only we'll do C. No, hello. One more thing we'll do. So write down Roman 1c or point number C now. Okay, point number C. And give heading abandonment option. Abandonment option. Everyone please. Give heading abandonment option. क्या हो गया? नोट्स पहले वाला तूने लिख देना आराम से. Time table you all got for this coming week? Zoom people you all got time table? No, I also did not get. I am also waiting for you only. Okay, ready? Asha, you got it? Oh. You have got AFM till what? Which date? 8th, na? Just check. AFM is till Tuesday. So till Tuesday, every day it is there. Sunday, 7 to 1. 7 to 2. Sunday 7 to 2. Okay. And then for you, Wednesday onwards, FR is starting? Or Tuesday onwards, FR is starting? Tuesday. Tuesday onwards, FR is starting. So I think for you, because we are clubbed with them, till Monday it is there for sure. Till Monday it is there for sure. Huh? Chapter I think will get over. Huh? Friday and? No, chapter now will not get over actually. Chapter will be little bit pending. But okay, ready? Let's start. Abandonment option. Hello. Please don't abandon. Hello. Ready everyone? Okay. Abandon ship. Ready? Let's start. So abandonment option. Are we ready? Put your pens down. I want to explain to you something. Please. Everyone. Request. Ready? So this is a complication which clubs capital budgeting and options. Okay. And therefore it gives birth to a new kind of option called as a real option. Okay. Now there are 3 cases given by ICAI in which this is the first one I'm discussing, that is abandonment option. Now before I go here, there is one chapter coming called as advanced capital budgeting, correct? Na? Advanced capital budgeting. That chapter, advanced capital budgeting, in that there is going to be some calculations which I'll start showing from now only, but of course we will be writing more on it when we do that chapter, but little bit I'll have to show now only, otherwise this concept you will not understand. Everybody clear till here? Okay. So abandonment option, for that I am giving you example. Okay, example. Consider the following project. Interest, companies considering investing in this, that kind of a question. And in that I am writing something like this. Year 0. Students, how much initial investment you want? 10 lakh. Okay. 1 crore. My God. 10 crore. Okay. So I think simple number I'll take. Huh? I understand all this only because lakh and crore, I have no idea. Huh? Okay, ready? So ready everyone? So we will write 1000 crore. Very good. Okay. Loot a bank. Huh? Ready everyone? Okay. So 1 lakh rupees we will okay is the investment today. Now in year one, okay, in year one, can I say you will get some cash inflow, which we call as CFAT. I hope everyone understands. Hello. But now there is a tree within the capital budgeting. Everybody clear? They are saying in year one, you can either get this or this. You understand what I'm trying to say? Hello. So, um, okay. Tell me what number do you want? Number. In year one, it can either give you 1,50,000 inflow or let's say 50,000 inflow. Everyone ready? 1,50,000 or 50. In year two, this can grow to either what do you want? 2 lakhs or 2 lakh 50. I'm putting random numbers. Huh? You're understanding? Huh? 250 or let's say this can grow to 1,25,000. Everyone ready? 1,25,000. Are you there with me till here? Hello. You're following, no? Everything? Okay. This can grow to let's say either 80,000 or this can drop to 30,000. All done? Probabilities I am only giving you. We will not enter into all that calculation. It is giving random probabilities. Okay, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Simple, na? 0.5 and 0.5. Let's not worry much there. Okay, P's are given. And then the question will tell you calculate NPV. Now students, what I am going to teach you now, calculation of NPV. This is advanced capital budgeting of advanced financial management subject of final CA. You're understanding? Okay. So the capital budgeting that you know is capital budgeting of financial management. Everybody clear? I am not teaching you advanced capital budgeting of advanced financial management. How to do? If I would have put you in this, tell me calculate NPV. Now you know NPV is equal to present value of cash inflows minus present value of cash outflows. Hello. So I'll make this table that you used to make in childhood. Here, calculation, okay, cash flow, discounting factor is let's say 10%, present value. Okay, calculate NPV if COC is 10%. Remember this COC. Hello. This becomes your discounting rate. No. Hello. So this is the solution. Calculation of NPV. Okay, come on, start. Students, I think everyone knows this. Favorite entry for everybody. 1 and 1 lakh. Everyone knows this, no? Hello. So now help me. How do I tackle year 1? What do you think advanced capital budgeting will say for tackling year 1? Come on. Just a minute. I'll just write this properly. 1 lakh. Okay. Year 1. Come on. There are only 2 years project. 0, 1 and 2. Come on. Year 1, what will you do? Year 1. Think. What will you do in year 1? Will you write 1,50,000? Will you write 50,000? What should you do? Come on, it's very simple, you know it. Average, correct? Can I say we'll have to do average? Not simple average, but weighted average. Here, unfortunately or fortunately, simple and weighted average will give you the same answer because the weights are the same. This one maths you understand, no? Hello. So can I say 1,50,000 and 50,000 weighted average? How to do? Can I say it will be 1,50,000 into 0.5? Correct? No, everybody? Plus 50,000 into 0.5. Give me the number, please. Hello. 1 lakh. This comes to rupees 1 lakh. Hello. Everybody clear? This comes to rupees 1 lakh. Sure understanding? Next, please. Next. Next, how will you do? Any ideas? How will you do? Students, just to get little flavor in the question, I'll make this 60,000. Because now this 1 lakh, 1 lakh, no, I don't like same numbers in one question, otherwise people get confused. So this is what 60 here. What one small change, please? Tell me how much? 75 plus 30 is how much? 1 lakh 5, na? Okay, so they will put it 1 lakh 5,000. Doesn't matter, huh? Hello. 0.909. Okay, done. Now, come on, tell me. 80 or, now, less. Point, year 2, how will you do? Year 2, how will you do? This is going to test you. Come on, maths. You all know we need average of all of this, correct? Okay, 250 into 0.5 plus 125 into 0.5 plus 80,000 into 0.5 plus 30,000 into 0.5. Everybody clear? There is a problem. The total of probabilities is now becoming 2. That is not possible, no? Hello, everybody clear? So what do you think mathematics will tell you? Yes. Do you realize you have to calculate in advanced capital budgeting, you have to calculate something called as joint probabilities. Hello, everybody clear? What is the meaning of joint probability? Joint means basically, if somebody asks you, you are standing, okay, wait. You are standing here. You have got this number. And somebody asks you, what is the probability of 2,50,000? The answer is 0.5. But if you are standing here, and someone asks you what is the probability of 250, it will be 0.5 into 0.5. I hope everybody is able to understand. It's 0.25. Everyone clear, no? Sure, understood. This is also 0.2. Here can I say all probabilities are 0.25, 0.25, 0.25 only, but I hope you get it. Joint probability is a product of probabilities. Joint probability, can I say, can be spoken if only you are standing here. Everyone clear, na? The moment you stand here, I hope you realize these are the probabilities for you. Everyone following? Zoom people clear? Okay. So this is basically 0.25, 0.25, 0.25 for everyone. So 250, 125. So I'll write here 250 into 0.25 plus 125 into 0.25 plus we have got 80 and 30. 80,000 into 0.25 plus 30,000 into 0.25. For simplicity, you can take all and divide by 4 also, because simple average and weighted average will give you the same answer. What is the answer? 1 lakh? 1,21,250. Very good. So this comes to 0.826. All getting clarity now? Okay. Give me the number. 1,05,000 into 0.909. Come on. Why is nobody responding? Give me the answer fast. I want one number. 1,05,000 into 0.909. 450. 445. 95,445. 1 lakh 00 100 153. You have taken 3 decimals only, no? I'm asking you, have you done this into exactly this? Okay. So this comes to NPV at the rate 10%, please. Oh no. I need NPV, 95,598. 95,598. Everybody clear till here? 95,598. Anyone wants to ask anything? Since NPV is positive, can I say we should go for the project? Everyone clear? Now, till here I think great. I hope you realize real options have not started. Hello. This was capital budgeting, advanced capital budgeting using joint probabilities. Everyone following? Now, so we've got 25 minutes left. I hope I'm able to finish it. Everyone ready now? Okay. Now see, students, I am writing here, this project gives us an option to abandon the project for rupees. Okay, 1 minute. Somebody give me a calculator. I'll put some number which will make things interesting. Okay, hold on. Okay, take. This project gives us an option to abandon the project for rupees 1,20,000. Huh? Students, I see a solution is 2-3 lines answer, huh? But I am just elongating the whole thing to give you clarity. Are we ready? What does this mean, students? Any idea? What is the meaning of option to abandon means what? Option to abandon means, can I say you want to get out, get out. One buyer is available somewhere. Anytime you feel now you don't like the project, just quit and get out. He or she will give you 1,20,000. Everyone clear? Do you all understand the option to abandon here? Do you realize will be available to you either at node B or what is happening? Either at node B or at node C. I hope you're getting it. Here you can't abandon. Hello. Buy, abandon. You can't do that. Everybody clear? You will. Correct? And here do you realize if you go to abandon, the person will abandon you. You're understanding? Because the project only is coming to an end. Everyone clear? No? So the only option you have is to abandon either at node B or node C. The decision you have to take is, do you want to abandon? Everybody clear? No? Do you want to? I know there is one buyer outside available. Do you want to abandon? That is the question. If you complete only inter CA and you don't do final CA, you get some certificate, no? That there is something called as business analyst, something is there. That is like an option to abandon. You're understanding, no? You're understanding. That small certificate is there. You can choose. Now, do you realize abandonment won't happen at foundation? And abandonment won't happen post final CA. Can I say the only option is there to abandon, can I say, is that inter. Everybody clear, no? In the middle. Which means where you are right now. You should not do. I'm just telling you, giving example. Huh? Okay. Ready? Now, students, the question is, do you want to? Now, can I say, okay, you tell me, you are standing at node B now, node B, which means you now know what has happened in inter C. Hello? Can I say 1,50,000 cash inflow you have received, node B. At node B, I'm nudging you. I'm saying, hey, you can still get out. Huh? You're understanding? You can give up the whole project. 1,20,000 you get and get out. I want you to think and tell me, what will you think before telling me yes or no? Come on. Or what calculation will you do? Let me tell you, I've already taught you. Yes. What will you do? Think. You will say, sir, what I will do now, if I get out now, I know I'm getting 120. If I continue, I want to know what I will get. And I want to calculate present value of that number. Hello, everybody clear? Can I say if the present value of that number is greater than 1,20,000, I will not abandon. Come on, everybody. Something like American, how you did. Everyone clear? No? Okay. So, I am now picking this up. And I am writing here evaluation. Okay. Evaluation of the abandonment option. Now, at node B. Everyone ready? At node B. Students, please understand. If abandoned, PV of CI will be 120 lakh into 1. That is 120 lakh. Is the story clear to you? 120 lakh into 1. That is 1. By the way, PV means I am not calculating PV at year 0. Huh? I hope you read this is present value at year 1. Hello? At node B. Na? Okay? Okay. If not abandoned, can I say PV of CI will be, okay, I hope you get it, 2,50,000, 2,50,000 into 0.5 plus 1,25,000 into 0.5, the whole divided by 1.1. Everybody clear now? The whole divided by 1.1, and this will come to how much, please? You 1,70,000. Hey, I think I wrote something wrong. Hold on. So sorry. This is not 120 lakh. Too much abandonment we did. Hold on. This is 1,20,000. Hello. Okay. 1,20,000. No. Hello. Abandonment option. Equal to 1,20,000. Now tell me please how much you got answer here. 1,70,000. 455. Hey, hello, 174.55. What do you think? Should you abandon or should you continue? Come on, everyone, continue. Therefore, okay, I'm using some strong word. See if you are able to understand. Lapse. Are you all getting it? The abandonment option. Students, please give me a yes. Did you understand this? We lapse the abandonment option. All clear, 100% sure. Okay, great. Now I am going to replicate this for which node now? Node C. Okay, I'm going to replicate it for node C. So I'll write here at node C. Okay. Now at node C, students, come on, let's put numbers. Please don't get distracted. Very important. This is a new concept introduced in ICAI. I'm using my entire capital budgeting expertise with this and trying to merge two into one. Otherwise, short answer is there in institute module. All this is not there. In short, the answer comes. But if you want complete clarity, please wait. Okay. At node C, okay. If abandoned, can I say nothing changes? If not abandoned, can I say PV of CI? Can I say 80,000, 30,000? Remember the numbers, 80,000, 30,000. Everybody clear? 80, 30. So I am writing here 80,000 and 30,000. Okay. Come on. How much? Exact 50,000. Okay, this is 50,000. Done? Okay. What do you think? Exercise. Very good. Correct? We'll exercise. Thank you for participating. Exercise. So now I'm going to write something here. See if it makes sense. Therefore, value of abandonment option at node C will be, can I say the value is 1,20,000 minus 50,000, which is equal to 70,000. Is it making sense to you? But can I say, if I don't go for this option, I am anyways going to get 50,000. By going for this option, can I say I'm getting 1,20,000? Come on, everybody. Do you all understand that the value of that option is 70,000? Come on, everybody clear? Okay. Now I am going to write here. What if this project gives us an option to abandon the project for 1,20,000, recalculate NPV. Listen carefully, recalculate NPV. Everybody there with me? Recalculate NPV. So you will say, sir, why NPV has to be recalculated? Because now do you realize that now this particular NPV, do you realize, is without the option? Everybody clear? This particular NPV is without the option. I want to now calculate the NPV with the option. Can I say this extra money has been generated? No, here, hello. Hello. This extra money has been generated. I want to know what is the revised NPV. So revised NPV, what I will do? I will say I will not touch this NPV. Come on. This NPV I will keep like this only. Separately, this valuation of option I will do, and I will add it to the original NPV, and it will become the NPV with the abandonment option valuation. Everybody clear? Now I want you to think deep and hard. I am saying, okay, my NPV without the abandonment option is 95,598. Abandonment option valuation is coming to 70,000. Can I say the NPV with the abandonment option is that 95,000 plus this 70,000, whatever 1,65,000 is the revised NPV. Figure out what I have done wrong mathematically. Present value, very good. Can I say the 70,000 is the valuation that we have got at node C? NPV, can I say, is at node A? Come on, everybody clear? Hello. So I will do 70,000's present value, and then I will add to the NPV. Are you all able to understand? There is something wrong here also. Yes, can I say there is only 50% probability of this happening? Okay, now I will write something, it will make sense to you. Students, can I say value of abandonment option? I left some space no here. Value of abandonment option, do you realize at node B, do you realize is 0. Come on everybody. So the abandonment option is either going to be 0 or 70. What is the today's value of that? I take the average of 0 and 70 and pull it back. See, binomial tree connection. Come on everybody, are you able to understand? I will take the average of both of them and pull it back. Can I therefore say, therefore value of abandonment option, value of abandonment option at node A, that is today will be, okay, will be 0 into 0.5 plus 70,000 into 0.5 divided by, I hope everybody is following, divided by 1.1. Please give me this number. 35,000 divided by 1.1. 31,818. Therefore, net present value including the abandonment option. Students understood the whole concept? Net present value including the abandonment option will be, we had got NPV earlier as 95,598. I'll write here 95,598 plus 31,818, and this comes to 127,416. Everybody clear? Students, there could be questions where original NPV is negative, but considering that this NPV has an option, it becomes positive. I hope everybody is able to understand that option. Students, abandonment option, do you realize this is a real option? Everybody clear? This number is the final answer, and this is of course just adding on to it. Everyone clear? Did you even realize we used binomial tree to find the value of the option here? Hello, it was a binomial tree. But I'll now say something, I don't know whether you understand or not. All the best, only smart people will understand. If you don't understand, it's okay, but I want you to, okay? Students, we used binomial tree to find the value of a put option. Breathe. Can I say abandonment is not a right to buy? Come on, come on. Abandonment is a right to sell. Come on, everybody clear? Abandonment is a right to sell. So I will write here abandonment option. Okay, abandonment option is basically, okay, is basically a right to sell. Everybody clear now? It's a right to sell. It's a put option. Now, if you notice carefully, hold on. Do you remember what is gross payoff for put option? Gross payoff for call option, S1 minus K. For put it was K minus S1 if it is in the money. If it is out of money, it becomes 0. Everyone remembers this? Okay. So, can I say at node B, okay? At node B, are you listening? At node B, do you realize that you had one S? Okay, I'll place it here. Node B, can I say the value of future cash flows was 174.45? Do you agree? Can I say that is the value, na? Value of what is spot price in one sense? Present value of all future cash inflows. Everybody clear? The present value of all future cash inflows turned out to be 174.45. So I'll write here S1. Okay, S1, that is PV of CI is equal to 174.45. 174.45, no, it was 455, it was 455. K, you know what is K? Very good. K, can I say, is 1,20,000. The right, it is the strike price. It gave you a right to sell. Everybody clear? It gave you a right to sell at the rate K, which was 1,20,000. Is it making sense? Hello, students, do you realize since S1 was greater than K, the put is OTM? Do you realize that value of the put option, okay, value of put is equal to 0. We got value of abandonment also 0, na? Hello, same thing. I hope everyone is getting clarity. Sure, understood? And at node C, okay, at node C, what happened? At node C, okay, at node C, what is the time? 22. Okay, at node C, S1, that is PV of CI, turned out to be 50,000. Can you see? PV of CI turned out to be 50,000. So I'm writing here 50,000. Hey, can I say since S1 less than K, put is in the money, value of put will be K minus S1, 120 minus 50,000, which is equal to 70,000. Everybody clear, no? And do you therefore realize that at node A, can I say value of put option will be, now see if you understand, it is PU into PU plus PD into PD. Oh, what is this? Can I say we used to write CU into PU? Now C, instead of C, now there is put. Upper put, I hope you're getting it. No, don't understand. Hello. Okay, so the whole divided by 1 plus R raised to N. Now PU, can I say, is 0, and the probability, can I say, is 0.5. PD, can I say, is 70,000. Probability is 0.5. The whole divided by 1 plus 1.1 raised to 1. Everybody clear? 1.1 raised to 1. And that comes to, of course, same answer. No? How much you got? How much? 31. The same calculation. 31,818. 31,818. Everybody clear? 31,818. All story done. Now in capital budgeting, I'm going to teach you something. I'm just getting a little, I don't know why I'm going there. I'll teach something, we'll write it now only. When that happens, I'll tell you to refer these notes. Everyone ready? Students, hold on. I'm writing here alternate understanding. Alternate understanding of abandonment option. Everybody clear? It's a right to sell. Now I'll tell you alternate NPV calculation. Everybody, alternate NPV calculation, and see if this my calculation makes sense to you. Are we ready, everyone? I hope you will not distract. Okay, ready? See, so you remember this entire table, this tree. I am taking the tree here. Okay, I'm taking the tree and I am placing it here. And let's see if you people are understanding what I'm going to do. This is capital budgeting at its best. I am saying if I follow this path, then I continue on the path. Come on, everybody. If I follow this path and once I reach 60,000, I am not planning to continue here. Come on, everybody. Do you realize this will go down here and I will write, Baba, I am going to get out with 1,20,000 cash, which makes, do you realize all of this zero? Come on, everyone. Didn't understand. Understood what I'm trying to do? By the way, when will you decide to abandon? Once you get 60,000 cash. Everybody clear? Once you got interest result done. Everyone clear now? Once you have got that 60,000 cash, it is at that point you say, Papa, I don't think so it is worth continuing from here. Hey, I have an option to sell. I will get out because the S1 is not worth. K is better than S1. Hello, everybody clear? I will sell. I will get 120 game over. Why should I go ahead in life? Hello, everyone clear till here? Students, if this is the case, hello, everyone clear now? If this is the case, do you realize I will now pick up this NPV calculation? You remember this calculation, everyone? I'll pick this up and I want you to tell me how will things change in the final answer now. How will things change? So I'm placing it here. Okay, students, help me. Can I say year 0, nothing changes? Do you have the sense year 1 changes? Come on, everybody. Year 1. Why will year 1 change? 1,50,000 into 0.5 is correct. But do you realize I will now not write 60. I'll write 1,80,000. Okay, come on, everybody. I'll write 1,80,000. So this will be, okay, 1,80,000 into 0.5. 1,80,000 into 0.5. Give me this answer, please. How much? 1,65,000. Everybody there with me? 1,65,000. Last point, I'm leaving you all now. 1,65,000. Done till here? 1,65,000. Correct? Okay. Yes. And year 2, any idea? Year 2, do you realize this will become 0? Come on, everybody. This will become 0. Now give me the answer for year 2, final cash flow. 93,750. Zoom people clear? 93,750. Just confirm. 250 into 0.525 only, 250 into 0.25, 125 into 0.25. That's it. Others is all 0. Is this number telling? 93 to 750? Yes? Not getting? You can doubt? Okay. So students, now tell me answer. 165,000 into 0.909, please. Just 1 minute. How much? 149,985. 93,750 into 0.826. How much? 70? 438. Okay, 438. Somebody please give me total answer, please. 1,27,420. 420. Okay, 423. 127,423. This is how you recalculate NPV. Hello. Everyone clear? This is in, see, one option was what? One option was, hey, by the way, I forgot to tell you, hello. Hey, I hope you realize the same answer we had got earlier. Excuse me. This answer and this answer is same. It's just rounding off difference. Hello, 127,423 and this is 127,416. How I got 127,416? You remember, no? I did normal NPV without abandonment and then added the abandonment option to it. Other is change the cash flow only considering abandonment. I hope you're getting answer will come same. Hello. I hope everyone is following. So, before you all leave, the question that is there in ICAI module, would you like to see? Can you give me 5 minutes? I am not writing anything. In module, there is one question because now this is the right time to see it. Because tomorrow again, everything I'll have to explain again. Can you give me a minute, please? Ready, everyone? So, just some time now. Okay. So, option, illustration. Just see if you see abandonment somewhere. Abandon. It's there somewhere. Wait. Real option. Real. Come on. Okay. Students, read their paragraph. As we have already studied in the topic of capital budgeting, we have not, but okay, that once funds have been committed, it cannot be reverted without incurring. However, in some cases, due to the firm may like to opt for abandoning the project. The option to abandon is similar to, I hope you're getting their language, is similar to a put option that gives you an option to abandon anytime you want. Now you can, small lines are there, but now you can understand all of this. Everybody clear? To abandon, okay? So, where option to abandon shall be exercised if value derived from the asset is more than the present value of continuing. Everybody clear? Which means K is more than S1. Then abandon, I'll exercise the option, okay? Students, this is the question. Read it, no once. Take your time. Zoom people, just be there, no, don't leave. Just 5 minutes will take. 4 minutes. Tomorrow I'll give you solution for this. Do you realize this number, no? This is like your P is like a S0. You're understanding? Today's price, value of everything of future without thinking much, today's price is 100 crore. Hello? Correct? However, if the mark, okay, before you all leave, students, you remember when I had done this calculation without the abandonment option? Hello? This number is there, not this. Is that 100? Basically, present value of all future cash inflows. Everybody clear? This number, can I say, has not considered the abandonment option. Everyone clear till here? It has not considered. Hello? All following, no? Okay. Okay. So, next. However, if market conditions for, they are into production of fertilizers. If the market condition for pesticide turns out to be favorable, then the PV of proposal shall increase by 30%. Hello? That means, can I say 100 crore can become 130 crore. Everybody, are you all there? Or do you realize if the market remains sluggish, PV shall reduce by 40%. This, can I say, is 40 crores. Hello? Excuse me. What? 60 crores. Everybody clear? It will reduce by 40%. That is 60 crore. Students, you know what these two numbers are? 130. They are saying na PV of proposal. Just to get you clarity, this 130 and 60 that you got na is basically 174.55 or 50. I hope everybody is clear. They are saying it can either be 170 or it can be 50. By this explanation, you understand why they are calling it as PV. Hello, everybody clear? It is either 170 or 50. Can I say I would like to abandon in this case? Everyone clear, no? So students, you have an option. Your put option is how much, students? Do you realize if in case the company is not interested, we can dispose it off for 80 crores. Hello, everybody clear? Hello, we can dispose it off for 80 crores. Students, I hope you realize here the put option value is 0. Why should I dispose for 80 crores when I can get 130? But here the put option value can I say is 20 crores. Come on, everybody clear? Put option value is 20 crores. If the risk-free rate is 8%, what will be the value of the abandonment option? Students, are you there? Can you give me 2 minutes? Students, what is U in this case? U, can I say, is 1.3. Check this, 130 by 100. Everybody clear? What is D in this case? D, do you realize, is 60 by 100. That is 0.6. Everybody clear? And what is the life? Life is not given. We'll consider 1 year. Everybody clear? We'll consider 1 year. What will be PU? Come on, everyone. PU, can I say, is, look at this, 1 plus R minus D, the whole upon U minus D. Everybody clear? 1 plus R raised to N minus D, the whole upon Raghunandan, what are you saying? No, not understanding. 80 is at the time of abandonment, node A and node B and node C. How much is the answer? 6857. See how much they have got? They have got 0.686. You will say, sir, how did they do this? Oh my God, how did they do this? You remember yesterday I taught you, I see I can do anything. Hello. I taught you three alternate options of how to calculate P. They have done using the rates. You understand? They have done using the rates. Doesn't matter, we'll get the same answer. So 0.686. So this is 0.686. This is 0.314. Just confirm. 0.314. Students, how do I find P0? Any idea? How do I find P0? Use the binomial model. 0 into 0.386 plus 20 into 0.314. Raghunandan, now present value 20 into 0.314 divided by 1.08. Everybody clear now? Divided by 1. You are understanding what I am saying? How much answer you are getting? You all tried, no? Hello? PU in average present value 5.81. I hope I was successful in teaching you this first amendment. Hello? Is it clear to all? Sure, 5.81. Tanisha got the answer, no? Okay, 5.81. That is the value of the abandonment option. Now you see in this question that NPV is not there. It is all advanced capital budgeting. Everyone clear, no? I took that extra from there. I merged it here. But I hope you realize in derivatives only the valuation of the option is being asked. The entire NPV calculation goes out of the window. Everybody clear? Students, what is your homework for today? I am giving you PDF of abandonment option. You will write and keep. This solution I will give tomorrow, but whatever I am giving you, write and keep. Correct. 20 nahi. 20 into point plus 0 into point something ka present value. It's weighted average, no? The put option can either be 20 or 0, no? Like that it is. Okay. The present value of everything comes to 5.81. Okay, thank you very much. Today's lecture clear, everyone? Sure? Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye-bye. Mahalakshmi, I'm sending the notes to you. Please share immediately. Is Mahalakshmi there? She's there. Okay.